feeling of clicking into first gear on a bike that actually has some personality is something most riders never forget. You want that sharp, aggressive look that makes people turn their heads at the stoplight. But you also do not want to feel like you're relying on a torture rack just to get to work. That is the specific itch this latest middleweight sport bike is trying to scratch. It sits in this fascinating middle ground. It is not a tiny starter bike that you will get bored with in 3 months. It also is not some terrifying racing machine that wants to throw you into a ditch if you sneeze on the throttle. The heart of the machine is that parallel twin engine. It feels predictable. It feels steady. When you are weaving through morning traffic, it does not jump or jerk. It just goes exactly where you tell it to. Then the weekend hits. You find that one stretch of highway where the speed limit opens up. You twist the grip, and there it is. There is enough punch to keep things exciting without making your heart rate skyrocket for the wrong reasons. The styling is all sharp angles and mean stares. It looks like its bigger, faster brothers in the lineup. But the secret is in the seating. You are not hunched over to the point of pain. Your back will actually thank you after a long ride. Then we have to talk about the wallet. High-performance machines are often total divas. They want expensive parts. They want frequent trips to the shop. They want premium fuel every 50 miles. This bike is the opposite. It is a workhorse in a show pony's body. The fuel economy is genuinely impressive for something that looks this fast. You can spend your Saturday carving corners instead of looking for the next gas station. It keeps the ownership cost down to earth. Now, if you are a veteran rider who lives for track days and high-tech gadgets, you might find the features a little thin. There are not a dozen different ride modes or complex electronic aids. It is a straightforward mechanical experience. For a lot of people, that is actually a selling point. It is just you and the machine. It forces you to actually learn how to ride. It rewards good technique. It is an honest motorcycle. It does not try to be something it is not. It offers a bridge. It connects the world of learning to the world of genuine sport performance. That balance is hard to find. Many manufacturers lean too far one way or the other. This one finds the center. It feels like a smart investment. It is a bike that grows with you. You will not feel like you have outgrown it by the time the first oil change rolls around. It has enough character to keep you coming back for more. Every time you pull the garage door up and see those green accents, you will feel that little spark of excitement. That is what motorcycling should be about. It is about the joy of the ride without the stress of a massive payment or a machine that is too heavy to handle. It is accessible. It is sharp. It is ready for whatever your daily life throws at it. The engine setup provides a very specific kind of mechanical harmony. It hums with a steady rhythm that gives you confidence. You can feel the mechanical heart beating beneath you. But it never feels like it is vibrating your teeth out of your head. That smoothness is key for riders who are still getting used to the sensation of speed. It allows you to focus on your line and your braking. You can think about the road instead of worrying about the bike stalling. The lightweight is another huge factor. When you are stopped at a light or trying to park in a tight space, you really appreciate how flickable this frame is. It does not fight you. It works with you. This makes the learning curve much less steep. You can focus on the fun parts of riding. The aesthetic design is another huge win. It captures that racing heritage. It looks fast even when it is just sitting on the kickstand. The headlights have that predatory squint that tells the world you are on something serious. Yet, the price tag stays within reach. It is a rare combination of style and sense. If you are stepping up from a smaller displacement, you will feel the difference in power immediately. It pulls harder from the bottom. It gives you that little extra boost needed to pass a slow truck on the freeway. It is practical performance. It is the kind of bike that reminds you why you wanted to ride in the first place. No fuss, no drama, just pure road-going fun.